With the rapid social economic development in the world, more and more vehicles go into the lives of the people, especially in the developing countries. All these significantly increase the fuel consumption. Worldwide, fuel transportation is one important part in this cycle. For a long time, fuel transportation cannot be supervised effectively. Hence fraud fuel loss. High-quality fuel replaced by low-quality fuel or water always happen. It heavily violates the benefits of the fuel owners. So how to eliminate the fraud, fuel loss and ensure the fuel quality? Eaglestar give you one total solution now. Smart Tank Lock System includes 3 parts. Lock Control Hub, Flex Seal Lock, Back Office Software System. The Flex Seal Lock enables real-time tracking and monitoring of tanker and loading ports through its locking status, ensuring both safety and authenticity. Installed in the tanker cabin, the Lock Control Hub uses LoRa to communicate with the acquisition unit, enabling data reporting, command reception, and parameter settings. The back office system provides a dashboard overview of fleet operations, visualizing key data such as total vehicles, online units, dispatch activity, alarms, and total mileage, giving decision makers a clear view at a glance. Solution is your guarantee. It is designed and developed specially for you. Flex Seal Lock can eliminate the fraud, fuel loss and ensure the quality of your fuel. If any abnormal activities occur, the system can alarm you immediately to save the loss and keep the good reputation of your companies. Smart Tank Lock System is your right choice. Contact us today. For more details, please visit eaglestarenergy.com. The Flex Seal Lock is mainly installed on the side box doors of tank trucks, oil unloading ports of tank trucks, oil unloading ports of gas stations, or other parts that require steel wire physical edge seals, with a wide range of applications. It is an electronic logistics lock based on technologies such as the Internet of Things and satellite positioning, which is used for safety supervision, anti-counterfeiting, and traceability of goods transportation. Long battery life. Built-in rechargeable battery with low power consumption. Flexible adjustment of the lock rope. The tightness can be flexibly adjusted with strong applicability. NFC verification. NFC function scans device information for accurate anti-counterfeiting. Convenient operation. One-click operation for locking and unlocking, which is convenient and fast. Alarm function. Alarm when cut with post-event traceability. Take the side box door of a tank truck as an example. When sealing, it is necessary to pass through the hole of the sealed part. If the length of the lock rope cannot be flexibly adjusted, a situation like this may occur. The door can still be opened partially, which makes the lock lose its meaning. However, the lock rope of the flexible lock can be freely adjusted in length and tightness, ensuring high security. With a long press of the button, it can be sealed with one click. Wait for a few seconds, and once the sealing is successful, the side box door cannot be opened. The status information of the Flex Seal Lock will be uploaded to the system platform. By logging into the system, you can check the status information of all devices on the selected vehicle, whether they are in a closed or open state. If the flexible lock is cut or damaged, the system platform will issue an alarm, allowing us to view the alarm information and conduct post-event tracing. When the vehicle arrives at its destination, operate to unlock it on the system platform. Select the part to be unlocked, enter the reason for unlocking, and then you can unlock it with one click. At this point, the flexible lock opens. and the lock control status on the system platform changes to open. This is the fixed seal lock. It is mainly installed on the breather valve of the manhole cover of tank trucks, various flange connections, bottom valve interfaces, or other parts that require steel wire physical sealing, so as to replace the traditional steel wire physical sealing for intelligent management and control. Long battery life, equipped with a disposable built-in battery with a service life of 3 to 5 years. Reusable. Adopting a structure where the seal head and the locking rope are separated, the seal head can be reused. NFC verification. The NFC function scans device information for accurate anti-counterfeiting. Alarm function. Alarm when cut, enabling post-event traceability. Taking applying a seal on a blank flange as an example, pass through the whole of the part to be sealed. Tighten it to complete the sealing. And the overlong steel wire rope can be cut off. The status of the smart lead seal strip will be uploaded to the system platform. By logging into the system, we can check the status information of all devices on the selected vehicle, whether they are in a closed or open state. If a lead seal strip is cut or damaged, the system platform will issue an alarm, allowing us to view the alarm information and conduct post-event traceability. When it is necessary to open the part sealed, the smart lead seal strip can only be unsealed by cutting. After unsealing, check the status information of the lead seal strip on the system platform. And the status information will change to open.